In this video, you'll learn how to use the order scheduler in the Orderry mobile app. The scheduler section shows all orders that have a scheduled time. You can also customize what information appears on each order card. Just go to Settings, Appearance, Scheduler, and choose what details you want to see displayed on the card. In the top right corner, you can filter orders by status, type, or assigned employee. If you have multiple locations, you can switch between them using the menu in the middle of the screen. The scheduler has two display modes, month and week. To switch between them, tap the calendar icon in the upper corner. The app will remember your last selected view and open it the next time you use the scheduler. To quickly move the next week or months, just swipe left or right. Days that have orders with a scheduled time are marked with an orange indicator. If you don't see the indicator, it means that there are no scheduled orders for that day. Tap on any day to see a list of orders below. The color bar on the left shows the order's status: blue for new, green for in progress, orange for postponed, black for ready, and gray for closed. Tap an order to open it and see more details or make changes. If you long press an order, you'll get a list of quick actions. To create a new order, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, select the order type, and fill in the necessary details. Creating an order here works the same way as in the Orders section. For more information on creating orders, processing payments, and managing them, check out other videos on our YouTube channel.